Installing Everlast around doors and windows is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your home's look while keeping it weatherproof and low maintenance. So, when you're putting Everlast trim around doors and windows, you gotta start by measuring everything right, no guessing, or you'll waste materials. Cut the boards with a miter saw to get those clean 45-degree angles on corners. Before nailing, it's smart to dry fit the pieces to make sure they line up perfect. Use a good quality exterior adhesive along with nails or screws rated for outdoor use to keep everything secure and prevent warping. Don't forget to leave a tiny gap for expansion since Everlast expands a bit with heat. Caulking is your best friend here. Seal all the joints and edges with a paintable, weatherproof caulk to keep water out and bugs away. After that, you can finish with paint or stain if you want, but Everlast often comes pre-finished, which saves a ton of time. And finally, clean up any dust or debris, because a clean surface helps everything stick better and last longer. One of the biggest mistakes with Everlast installation around doors and windows is not measuring properly, which leads to uneven cuts and wasted materials. Double-check measurements and dry fit before cutting. Another common problem is using the wrong fasteners. Nails that rust or screws that aren't rated for exterior use can cause the trim to loosen or damage the material. Make sure to pick corrosion-resistant options. The third issue is skipping caulk or using cheap caulk that cracks over time, letting moisture sneak in and cause damage. Always use a high-quality, weatherproof caulk and apply it generously around seams. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the stress of searching around. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people ready to start projects right away,